Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna learn how to delete an Instagram account. So before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button and share the video. So we go to our Instagram. So we go to our profile, we choose the menu bar and we choose the first one, which is accounts center. We go down and we choose personal details and we choose the fourth one, which is properties, and we choose the second option, which is going to delete our account or deactivate it. And here we choose our Instagram account, which is the second one. Okay, so we choose options here. It's in French, but in English you're gonna find delete account. So we choose this second option and we press on continue. We press also on continue. We choose any option. What is the reason to delete the Instagram account? We press on continue. We press on continue here. And here, when we press on continue, our account will be deleted. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and goodbye.